Welcome to your channel, Junior Dude.
Today, we're diving into the workhorses of construction and transport, machines that lift, haul, pave, and power every project.
1. This is a crane.
Cranes can be in tower, mobile, rough terrain, crawler. Used for lifting and moving heavy loads vertically and horizontally on construction sites, with each type suited to different terrain and height requirements.
2. This is a forklift.
Forklift. Designed to lift, move, and stack materials over short distances, commonly used in warehouses and industrial yards.
3. This is a telehandler.
Telehandler. A versatile lifting machine with an extendable boom, capable of reaching high or awkward positions for material placement.
4. This is a dump truck.
Dump truck. Transports and unloads bulk materials like sand, gravel, or demolition waste quickly and efficiently.
5. This is a tipper truck.
Tipper truck. A truck with a hydraulic tipping bed to unload loose materials at the desired location.
6. This is an articulated hauler.
Articulated hauler. Carries heavy loads over rough, uneven terrain with a pivot joint between the cab and dump bed for better maneuverability.
7. This is a flatbed truck.
Flatbed truck. Used to transport oversized or irregularly shaped loads that do not fit in enclosed vehicles.
8. This is a lowboy trailer.
Lowboy trailer. A trailer with a low deck height for carrying tall or heavy equipment that exceeds standard height limits.
9. This is an asphalt paver.
Asphalt paver. Spreads and levels asphalt onto road surfaces in preparation for compaction.
10. This is a road roller.
Road roller. Compacts soil, gravel, or asphalt to create a smooth, level, and durable surface.